Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your mouse cursor disappearing in OBS Studio. This is a common issue that can be frustrating when you're trying to record or stream, but fortunately it's pretty straightforward to resolve. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom left section of your screen where you'll see your Sources panel. This is where all your capture sources are listed, such as display capture, game capture, or any other sources you've added to your scene. Now locate either your display capture or game capture source in that sources list. Once you've found it, right-click on that source. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This action will open a new window containing all the settings and configurations for your selected capture source. In the Properties window that appears, look for an option called Capture Cursor. This setting controls whether or not your mouse cursor is visible in the recording or stream. Make sure the box beside Capture Cursor is checked or enabled. If you notice the box is unchecked, simply click on it to enable the feature. This tells OBS to include your cursor in the capture, which should resolve the disappearing cursor issue. Once you've enabled it, click OK to save your changes and close the Properties window. However, if your cursor is still disappearing in OBS Studio even after enabling that option, don't worry. There's another solution that often fixes this problem, and it involves running OBS with administrator privileges. Go ahead and close OBS Studio completely. Make sure the application is fully shut down before proceeding to the next step. Next, locate the OBS Studio icon on your desktop. Once you've found it, right-click on the OBS Studio icon. This will open a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Run as Administrator. This grants OBS elevated permissions on your system, which can help it properly capture your cursor and other screen elements that might otherwise be restricted. You may see a user account control prompt asking for permission, so click Yes to allow OBS to run with administrator rights. And that's it. You've now fixed the disappearing mouse cursor issue in OBS Studio by either enabling the Capture Cursor option or running the application as administrator. Your cursor should now be visible in your recordings and streams, making your content much more professional and easier to follow for your viewers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.